So we start out today's video with someone who has long mid-back length hair. The stylist asks, how short do you want to go? And he cuts the hair into a beautiful bob. Look at all of that hair. Oh, wow, she looks absolutely amazing, rocking out a fresh bob haircut. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some trending hairstyle ideas. So here we have another hair makeover. So the stylist pins the hair up and begins cutting, starting in the back. Looks like we are getting another bob hairstyle with this one. Adding in some face framing bangs. Gorgeous. Another nice, easy, effortless, carefree style bob. So we move on to the next hair transformation. So for this one, she went blonde and she also got some beautiful layers. Kind of looks to me like she got like the 90s inspired layers slash wolf cut for this style. Yeah, this is absolutely beautiful, and I love the color, the bangs that were added. Just gorgeous. Nice shaggy wolf cut style bob. So next up, it looks like we have someone else playing into the layer trend. So she wants some soft layers and to go orange. Oh, wow. What a drastic hair change. I love it. Next up, we have someone getting a shaggy mullet style with some baby bangs. Another kind of rocker chic trend that we're seeing for 2023. Her hair actually didn't really change too much. She already kind of had a bit of a mullet style. And then we have someone else getting kind of like a bob style, modernized bob with a flip under, mohawk, or mullet kind of style. Very mod, very modern. Baby bangs in the front. And the two pieces on the side really play into that kind of like modern mullet feel of the look of this hairstyle. Very cute. I absolutely love the vibe with this one. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.